everybody. I've been getting asked a lot on how I like paint my edges. Someone said that they have been using markers and the marker bleeds into the paper, which is 100% accurate. So the first thing you're gonna need is like paint. Put your paint on something like this, right? Find a paint that closely matches this. Then you wanna take a paintbrush. You can use one smaller than this, but this is all I have. Put the paint on here like this, like scoop it like this, and get it kind of thin, like super thin on the brush. Then you're gonna take your edge and you are going to tap it like this. Don't swipe, don't do anything like that. A lot of people I know for a fact are getting paint if they're using paint and they're sliding it like this, which is doing this right here. Yes, you can wipe it off, but it just causes a headache. So just get a thin amount on your paintbrush. Take your card. It's too much. See, if it's not thin enough, it's gonna do the same thing. Get it thin and just tap it like this so it paints on there. I can't do anything. So yeah, there you go. Have fun.